Attractive and trendsetting, the urban development project Hafen City will create a new south side between the city center of Hamburg and the River Elbe. The layout of the new quarter is determined by the port basin's outline, situated in Hamburg's historic harbor. The Quartier am Sandtorkai, Sandtorkai Quarter, is the first completed section. To the north, it adjoins the landmarked red brick buildings of the historic Speicherstadt, the world's largest warehouse complex built on oak piles. Towards the south, the new quarter opens up to Sandtorhafen, Hamburg's oldest port basin. With their open urbanistic structure, the new buildings provide views in both directions, to the inner city and the port. Living the maritime way. The red brick building am Sandtorkai presents itself as light and airy. The 26 apartments are grouped around a large inner courtyard, which starts on the second floor and gains light via a large glass roof. From the atrium, all tenants have direct access to the decks, which face south to Sandtorhafen. Each apartment is accessible via maritime-inspired bridges. The commercial spaces are situated on the first floor under the residential decks. The marked projection of the structure facing the port basin and the visible texture of the frame structure characterize this extraordinary building. CEMEX Germany supplied about 2,700 cubic meters of various concretes, mainly construction concretes. However, one unusual architectural feature required a special material. Strong but lightweight. This was the technical challenge to solve a number of problems simultaneously. The harbor cube has one cantilever that stretches over the promenade, the quay wall, and reaches slightly over the port basin. A steel trestle carries the 6 upper floors. On completion, the port basin will be a popular marina, thus requiring suitable noise protection. As the steel trestle acts as a membrane to the structure, the spaces had to be filled in order to avoid exterior noise penetrating into the building. CEMEX Germany was able to supply a suitable product, the aerated lightweight concrete Estritherm, with a specific weight of 1 metric ton per cubic meter. It is sufficient in mass to absorb sound effectively and at the same time is of relatively light weight in order to avoid increasing the considerable load which the steel trestle has to bear. Moreover, Estritherm has a very low heat conductivity and thus supports the heat insulating properties of the floating floor slab. The Harbor Cube in Hafen City, Europe's biggest inner city quarter building project.